he's not going to college, he's going to jail.
Oh no! That's why he was planning this for so long. Because he's been trying to figure out what to do for his crack deal. So then when he goes to jail, he's going to Michigan.